it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Today I am headed to the last farm that needs to be harvested. So this farm is Travis's and we're heading there now. This morning we went and we dropped off the combine and the tractors. I had to run back home because I had to take Rocket up to the vet. He had a vet appointment, and I also had some errands to run and some bills to pay, since I haven't really had the opportunity to do so, considering that we've been working, you know, pretty well over the hours of 8 to 5 when all the businesses are open. So yeah, Dad and Travis are up there now. I'm going up, and we have 2 trucks hauling for us today. We're going to be using the 46 and the 82 to try to keep Dad moving. Travis called me up and said that he needed me up there because he just couldn't keep up with the trucks. So I'm in there now. I'm going to park my truck off to the side and just kind of do whatever I need to with the 46. Looks like someone's here right now.
This truck I can load up full.
Oh, you can? Okay.
I don't get overweight.
You know, smaller wagon? Is it a smaller trailer?
Yeah. Or a regular size. The other one's 6 inches wider and 6 inches taller.
Really?
I don't like it. I like this better. I know I don't get overweight.
Yeah. We just sent out the last truck. Now there's about 1.5 acres or so left up on top of the hill. So whatever is left, we're going to split between the 2 grain carts. Now I've got to put the auger down on the Easy Trail grain cart yet, but Travis headed up to get the last load, and Dad's finishing it now. Now we're just gonna split it between the grain carts because there is a load on the front of my truck. So otherwise I would have brought it down and loaded this on there, but considering that there's a light load on the front of that, I don't want to add more into the rear. However much is left, I don't know. You know, there could be a couple hundred bushels left up there. I don't know what Dad had on him when we last got the acres that were remaining left. So I'm gonna hop up there, put the auger down, and then wait for Travis to come back down, and we should pretty well be done. We're gonna take all the stuff back to the farm, and that's it for harvest 2018.